Yeah, I totally agree with
Dead
you.
grass, stuff
That's
like
a
that,
hard one.
Yeah.
Mulch actually makes a really big
It's a
difference.
good little cleanup. Yeah.
It is. It really cleans up the planter and makes it looks very manicured.
Right, right. It's a good trick, and it's again relatively inexpensive versus doing the whole gutting the whole thing and starting from scratch.
Definitely. So, I mean, like a little bonus tip, right? Just declutter. You know, less is more. You want to make sure that the spaces appear larger. So, start getting some boxes and pack up the stuff that really isn't needed. Put it in the garage, put it in storage, put it somewhere. Just don't leave it in the house.
Yeah. Well, depersonalize and deep clean are two things that I would definitely recommend in every house, and I can't get over how much deep like cleaning is a huge thing. Like I'm not I'm not a messy person, right?
No.
We can agree I'm not a messy person, but like I think that get in the habit of just even if you're like are kind of like the person that leaves socks around, which I do it also do, right? But in while you're going through that transition of showing the home, definitely don't do that. Like make sure you throw everything in the hamper every
Oh my
day, like
gosh,
on the
no.
way out.
Don't leave dirty dishes in the sink. Make your
Yeah,
bed.
all that stuff, right? You know what? And we're talking about repairs, right? But so these are not repairs. But if you do this, it's just kind of like the little string that they tug on that keeps kind of
The,
ongoing, like the
these
sweater
are
that I'm.
simple and free things. And when you're selling your house, you want it to show in its best light possible.
Right.
So when somebody comes in your house, if there's dirty dishes in the sink, the bed's not made, and there's crap everywhere, they're really going to get the feeling like you don't care about your house and that you're probably not maintaining it well.
Right. Yeah. I think that's even a subconscious thing. I don't think people really are so conscious that they are thinking that,
Mm-hmm.
but they do. They kind of devalue the home in their mind and in their heart, right? And that's where the kind of subconscious lives. What I'm talking about, like, and then at some point they kind of don't fall in love with the home. And
Absolutely. And smells too. I mean, smells are such a big thing. I mean, all the senses, right? You want to make sure that you're hitting all
well,
the
that's why
senses.
the clean thing, right? I mean, when you walk into a home and like when we get home and it's just been cleaned, you smell it.
We just lost the lights.
Uh
Turn
oh,
the, wave your hand or something so the light turns back on.
there it is.
All right,
Lights are
there we
back.
go. Sorry about that. Anyways, yeah. So I mean, clean it, make it smell good. Plug-ins, candles, whatever you got to do. Because I had this guy once, and it's funny because I'm a very clean person, and I smells really get to me. But this one guy that I would take around showing houses, he had such a nose. I'm telling you, like we would walk into houses and he would crinkle his nose up and turn around and walk out.
It was
And
just a smell.
but it was sometimes stuff I didn't even smell. So some
Yeah.
people are just extra sensitive. You want to just
We have a friend that can smell when it's gonna rain.
who?
Our friend John. He says that he can smell when it's gonna rain.
I
Like you
used
don't smell that, and I'm like, it's gonna rain, and I'm like, okay, I did not know that you could do that. I didn't know anybody could do that. I mean, I got the Doppler radar. You know what I mean? That's what I'm going
Do
with.
you ever
Not
feel it in your knee? Like, because I know you've had knee surgeries and stuff. Do you ever feel
no.
like an
Well,
ache in your knee when it's about to rain?
no,
I've
no
heard.
aches.
I've heard of that.
Well, I think like it's like more of a I don't know, arthritis thing.
You're getting old.
Yeah, maybe that's it. Well, after knee surgeries and basketball, it does hurt to move on post basketball days. So, yeah, I don't know how rain comes into play, but I'll try to be more aware of that and like look.